Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about how to password protect your file data. So let's get to it. So basically the idea is simple. So we have our file data that's using the file data module that XAF provides, and when we do an attachment we don't want the user to open it or download it without inputting a password. So if you see right here we have two new actions. These are our custom actions to download the file and open the file. And if we try to the first thing, let's somehow intersect the built-in action from XAF, and when we're trying to click the hyperlink to download, we're giving a message to the user. Okay, the document is protected, use the download action to input password or any other wording that you guys seem fit. But if we click one of our actions, it will open the detail view to input a password. And if we put a wrong password and I'm typing just anything, it will tell you, okay, it's a wrong password. And if you put the right password, that is in this case is the password of the user, and right now we have nothing, you click OK and it will allow you to download it. Same thing to open it. So if I'm going to open the file, it will open the password detail view. If I type anything, wrong password. If I just leave it empty because the admin user has no password in this example, okay, here you go. You have the open file. So let's review quickly the implementation. Basically, we have the document downloader. In this document downloader is where we actually are going to allow them to download or not. And in this case, we're using the value manager, and depending if this is true or false, we're going to allow them to download the file or not. And if we are not, for example, in the built-in action of the hyperlink, we are giving the message, okay, this document is protected, use the download action to input the password. Now, if we check at the code of our custom implementation, we have the two actions, the download file and the open file, and right there we are going to open the detail view of the enter password, that is a non-persistent object. And in there, when they input the password in the asset action, the first thing that we're going to do is verify the password. And basically, if you see here, we are using the password of the current user. In this case, we can have a password at the company level, a password at the user level. We can have a password management for every document, so the one who blocks the document have to input a password and only share that. But we wanted to make a sample project as simple as possible, so we're using the permission policy user password, and in this case is admin, so it's by default blank, as we know. After that, if the password is true, then we're going to start doing whatever we need to do. In this case, we are opening, and this is like we're injecting iframe and we're opening the PDF in there. And in the other case, we are using, let's see, the same file data downloader that the frame will provide us. If you see, it's coming from the WordPress persistent base, and we are just passing the file. And that's basically it. It's pretty simple, but I believe really powerful. And the only thing that I believe that we should still add here is, for example, if we add in the file data zip file or some type of file that we know that it cannot be opened by the browser. So in that case, we should give a message telling the user, okay, this type of file is not supported to be opened by the browser, so please download it. And that will be all for this video. Thanks for watching.